Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will understand how to set up Webhook inside SendPulse. So Webhook acts as a bridge to connect applications and it helps to deliver the data to other applications as an event happens. SendPulse is a cloud-based multiple channel marketing platform. So in this video, I'm going to tell you step by step that how you can set up a Webhook inside SendPulse and send the data to other applications as an event will take place. So now to begin with the setup, I will go to my trigger window and over here I'm going to search for SendPulse as my trigger application. Here it is. So now moving to the trigger event, that will be new subscriber. So this trigger will start working whenever a new subscriber will be added in my SendPulse account. So for adding a new subscriber, I have created a form. So through a form submission, I'm going to add a new subscriber in my SendPulse account. So now to begin with the setup, over here firstly, I'm going to select my trigger event and from this drop down, you can select any trigger event as per your requirement. So I'm going to tell you that how you can set up a webhook inside SendPulse for a new subscriber. So as I did that, over here you can see that a webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect your SendPulse account with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to follow the instructions and tell you that how you can set up a webhook inside SendPulse. So this here is my SendPulse account and now I will go to my profile and I will go to account settings. So over here under account settings, I will go to API. So over here under API, I will go to Webhooks. It says send a post request with subscribers data to an external URL. So over here, this is our webhook URL. So I'm just going to copy it and over here, I'm just going to click on create a webhook button under email services webhook and I'm going to select the event as new subscriber and I'm going to paste the webhook URL in this field. And now I'm going to click on add. So as I did that, over here you can see that I've added a webhook over here for new subscriber. That means I've successfully built a connection between Pabbly Connect and SendPulse. Now whenever a new subscriber will be created in my SendPulse account, then automatically the details of the subscriber will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So over here you can see that this is the webhook URL and this here is the event. So now I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect and over here in Pabbly Connect, I've got a test response. So I'm just going to recapture a new response so that I can show you the new response. So as I did that, over here you can see it says, now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So to do a test submission, I'm going to submit this form. So as I've mentioned that I've created this form to add the subscribers. So here let's say the email is testuser@pabblytudes.com. Now moving to the full name, so the full name is test user and I'm going to mention a dummy phone number as well. So this here will be the dummy phone number. So over here I've filled in the details and now I'm going to click on subscribe. So here it says thanks for subscribing. That means the subscriber that I've just created right now. So the details of that subscriber would have been sent to Pabbly Connect. So over here in my SendPulse account under the mailing list that is by the name of hot leads, you can see that a new subscriber has been created and over here you can see the details. So that means the same subscriber details would have been sent to Pabbly Connect. And yes, over here you can see that just now I've received the response. So over here you can see the phone number, you can see the subscription domain, and over here you can see the date. Here is the email address that is given, and over here you can see the name, that is test user. And you can see the source as well. So that means over here in Pabbly Connect, I have successfully got the details of a new subscriber that has been created in SendPulse. So we have successfully set up a webhook inside SendPulse. Now whenever a new subscriber will be added or created in my SendPulse account, then automatically the details of that subscriber will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the details of the new subscriber and now by going to this action window, I can select any application and send the data to any application of my choice. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.